he's getting something. So you got oil pressure too? Alright, so we're getting somewhere, we're getting somewhere. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, that means you're either got no fuel or your fuel lines are done. So, but look at that, we got it started after 10 years. Started right up. Yeah, let's try it again. I guess I need some more, right? Some more starter fluid. Alright, let's go.